Hello designers and creatives, welcome back to my YouTube design space. About 10 days ago, I made a video tutorial where I showed us how to do a pencil sketch of this yin yang logo. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to vectorize this same logo using Pixellab or icon using Pixellab. So this is what we're going to be covering in this tutorial. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification to stay updated anytime we drop a new video like this. Don't forget to share this video. It will be super helpful to us in promoting this video to YouTube community. Thank you, and let's proceed. So first of all, we need to study the structure of this logo. This is a geometry logo. Okay, when I mean geometry, I mean a logo that has to deal with shapes. And then the shape that we're going to be using here is just circle shape. And then if you observe very well, you're going to be making use of 6 circles to manipulate this logo. So it's going to be an easy tutorial that will help us to understand more of geometry, how to manipulate logos using geometry or shapes. Okay, let's dive into the tutorial aspect. So I'm going to get rid of all the shapes that I have here that I've used to create this vector, and I'm going to bring back my sketch. So I'm going to increase opacity so you see clearly, and then I think those that follow me up on Facebook, you see that I actually create and present this logo sketch process. So let's go back, and then I'm going to reduce opacity, okay, again, and then I'm going to go here and then bring my grids. If you watch very well, I've worked on my grids. So for interest of those that are just joining us for the first time, you can still go and check out the description of this video. I've dropped a video today that will help you, give you a guide on how to make a grid line selections for logo vectorization using Pixellab. So after this, guys, I'm going to tap on my screen once, and then here all these 6 options are going to come out. So I'm going to go and click on my shapes. Remember that we are going to be using shapes to manipulate this logo, like I said. So I'm going to go here and then click on my circle, and I'm going to reduce the opacity, and then I'm going to choose a black color for this outer logo. So I'm going to expand this until it fits into the outer diameter of this circle. So let's work on that and see. So I think this is okay. Then after this, I'm going to go back and increase my opacity to 100. Then I'm going to go back here, and then from here I'm going to reduce the opacity from here again. So this step is very easy. So guys, after this, now I'm going to tap OK. I'm going to go back here and make sure that I lock my shape. Okay, then remember that each and every shape that you place where they're supposed to be, you must remember to go and lock it so that you won't be able to move it from the original position that you position it. I'm going to go and then make a copy of this shape, right? So I'm going to reduce it. For this part, I'm going to take it down here and make sure that it fits into this circle part of this logo. So if you observe very well, you're going to discover that this part of the logo supposed to have a circle shape here. So I'm just watch and see how I want to manipulate that part now. So I'm going to reduce my circle until it has to fit into this. I think it's okay now. So here I'm going to make a copy of it again, and then here I'm going to drag it to this point. After this, I'm going to go back and then click on it, and then go here and then change the color to white color. So I think we are good. Again, I'm going to make a copy of the white circle, okay, which I've selected. I'm going to make a copy of it, and I'm going to expand it to fit into the second outer diameter of the circle. So if you look very well, you're going to see that there's another kind of circle shape here, so, or circle curved. So I'm going to make sure that this circle fits into that. So let's work on that and see. After this, now I'm going to go back here and then click on my mask. Okay, I'm going to click on mask and then mask it out. So I'm going to drag my bezier point. For this, I'm going to take it to this place, and then here I'm going to do this. So just do the same thing that I'm doing now, and you're going to get the same result I got. And then here I'm going to click OK. So here I'm going to go back and then increase the opacity for this to see clearly. I think it's okay. So I'm going to do this back again, and then here I have what I got. So here I'm going to go and send this back behind the 2 vectors of the circle that I placed here at the inner part of this outer circle. So here I'm going to click on one of the circles here, okay, and then make a copy of it. For this time I'm going to reduce this and then leave the color to black and then position it to this place, to the inner part of the ying, and then I'm going to create a copy of that as well and drag it to the yang. Okay, for the ones here, the one in the yang circle, I'm going to go and then change the color to white. So I think everything is set now. So let's watch and see what we got at the end of the day. So let me go and increase back the opacity of this element. So here I'm going to increase the opacity of this. So lastly, I'm going to go here and then click on this icon here at the bottom, right? I hope you see that well. So let me do it again. I'm going to go here and click on this icon here. Okay, I'm going to tap on it and then select all the elements and then tap on this to group them together. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to select all the 6 circles which I used to manipulate this logo, and then click on that icon and then group them together as one object. So I'm going to reduce it and see if we actually did a job that is worth it. So let me just reduce this as well. Okay, and then let me increase the opacity for that. And then here is our vector, and then this is my sketch. So, and I hope this video helped. If it does help you, do well to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share this video to others who may want to learn from us and from our tutorial videos on YouTube here. Thank you guys, and then see you on my next video. I'm still Son of Man. Goodbye from here. Namaste.